Here is the Honda Ridgeline. Let's get started. The license plate light's right over there. Same process for the left and right side. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver for this job. See this light? We can just pull it back with your hand right there. And now what you do is you pull it back and you put the screwdriver right in the small slot over there and then pry the light out. It'll just come right out. There you go. Now first thing we do is just grab the bulb holder and then twist it left to get it out, and out it comes. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb for a few seconds, but it'll come right out. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in description to get the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And when you put it back into the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before the bulb holder just drops right in there, right? So you want it to look like this. See how it just goes right in? Good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it. And now when you put the light back in the body, this metal clip, it should be on that edge. It should be pressing up against that edge when you put it in. Once it's in like this, just slide it and press it down like this, and it'll just click right back in there. Good. See how it's sitting in properly? It's not moving. Good. That's what you want. And that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.